If you suffer from a stiff back, tight hips, sore shoulders, and inflexible hamstrings, if you're worried about the implications of sitting at a desk all day, or if you want to improve your posture, then you could benefit from Bendability for beginners. This is my new at-home yoga course of short pre-recorded content and live classes so you can double your flexibility by next month. After this course, you will have increased your flexibility, reduced aches and pains, improved your posture, and you'll finally feel free and loose in your body again. I'm Katie. I'm a yoga teacher and a YouTube creator. After years of teaching yoga, I identified that the majority of my students were coming to yoga because they were sick and tired of body aches and pains. They felt stiff as a plank and simply wanted to increase their flexibility. I knew that yoga would help them, but traditional yoga classes and most free online videos are not designed to increase flexibility. If you want to increase your flexibility, you need to hold certain yoga poses for a long time, which isn't what most yoga classes or YouTube videos do. That's why I created Bendability for beginners. This course gives you the techniques and the exact yoga poses that you need to increase your flexibility. The instructions are in clear, simple English, and all of the poses can be modified, so you can do this course even if you have never been to a yoga class before. The course consists of daily stretching routines targeting different muscle groups each day that are approximately 20 minutes each. Throughout the course, you'll work up to a 5-minute hold of the 12 core yoga poses and learn the most effective yoga warm-ups to not only increase your flexibility, but to build strength too. Have you ever signed up to an online course and then never even logged in? Well, I've done that too. That's why once you've had a few weeks to practice alone at home, we'll start virtual live classes together. This will give you the motivation to actually finish the pre-recorded course in time. Then you'll maintain and further improve upon your flexibility through 6 weeks of live classes. The live classes are free if you purchase Bendability for beginners before October 12th. So make sure to sign up today. The course also includes PDF guides, so you'll know the exact alignment and modification of each pose, and there is a master stretching plan. So once you're familiar with the practices, you can simply set a timer and then practice alone. You'll have direct access to me throughout the course through our online community group should you have any questions, and then I'll be there to motivate you along the way as well. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Take back control of your body and your health and finally get flexible. Click the link below this video and sign up for Bendability for beginners right now, and I'll see you soon on the mat.